Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? I have another knife review for you. That is the brand. Not sure how they want that pronounced, but that is it. Alright, so this is a MOLLE compatible nylon sheath. It's got some eyelets, it's got a tie down, it's got a belt loop, it's got two retaining straps. So that's the sheath, and it does have a plastic insert. Now here's the knife itself. Yeah! Check that out. That is the brand, that is the name of the knife, that is the name of the knife maker who designed this, who is Russian. It is D2 tool steel, a TPR handle, 6.25 inches in blade length, 8.6 ounces without the sheath. I weighed it myself. MOLLE compatible nylon sheath. The normal price is $44. However, I bought this on a Labor Day sale. It was 50% off. So I actually paid $22 for this knife. A very piercing or thrusting oriented design, I would say. So as I was saying, I feel like he designed this to do this to enemy. Alright, it's got an extended tang right there with a lanyard hole and another hole on the integrated guard, so you could make a knuckle lanyard if you want. A TPR coated handle, extended tang with an impact point. It's got jimping right there. It is a partial flat grind. The sun is just coming up, by the way. If you start to hear chickens, yes, those are chickens. Now I would say this was designed as a fighting blade just because excellent grip, has an impact point here. Very pointed. It's fast, but it has enough reach to definitely hit vitals. However, soldiers use their knives for all kinds of stuff. So I am going to cut a few things with this for you. Here it is on some seatbelt type material. Just goes right through. Alright, I got a new material to test on. We got some rope here. There you go, went right through. You know, YouTube, every once in a while I'll get some flack on this platform for showing stuff like this, military knives, weapon knives. I have no apologies for showing stuff like this because, well, my dad was in Vietnam and my granddad was in World War II. He was in the US Navy and he fought against the Japanese in the Pacific Theater. All right, so I'm from a family of combat veterans. So I could give a shit if weapons offend you. But anyway, now would be a good time to remind you, if you have time, leave a comment. It really helps with engagement, and it just, in general, it just helps support the whole knife community. You guys have been awesome lately. Whenever I have reminded people, I get a tidal wave. I get a tidal wave of engagement. Really appreciate that. Alright, I'm only going to do a few little pieces because this was really not designed for splitting it all. But as purely as a little test, a little demo, if you had to, make some kindling pieces like so. Alright, there you go. Do not try this at home. There you go. The reason I say don't try that is because, number one, if it doesn't go straight enough, you could break the tip. Number two, if it bounces back, it can hit you in the face. Well, it's a pretty badass knife if you're talking military, like fighting blades. Very oriented towards the thrust. Also can slice, can slash. Right, tip cutting. Provides a secure grip. It's light and fast, has good reach. Yeah, I see where they're going with this, definitely. You would not be underarmed if you had this in a close combat scenario. Do I feel that it was worth the price? Well, like I said, I bought this on the Labor Day sale. It was 50% off. So was it worth the sale price? Absolutely, absolutely. This was worth more than the $22 that I paid. All right. So now this one sold out when they put it on sale. Gone. But the black coated one, or black wash, was not on sale, so they still have that available. And depending on when you watch this video, maybe they'll have these in stock, right? So that link, it'll be a US Amazon link. It'll be under the video. You can check. Hopefully they'll put it on sale again, I would hope. Now, is it worth the full price, like the price of $44? It just depends how badly you need it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this knife. If you like stuff like this, by all means, you can subscribe to me. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.